marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10 o'clock p.m. 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 7:54 p.m. Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing penny-size hail from 8 nautical miles southeast of Winthrop Harbor to 13 nautical miles north of Michigan City, moving northeast at 45 knots. These strong thunderstorms will pass near Northerly Island and Wilmette Harbor. Here is the forecast for the Chicago metropolitan area. Tonight, rain and isolated thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of rain after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and small hail in the evening.